Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive.
Always ready to dive in.
Awesome. Well, today we're heading to the stunning beaches and, believe it or not, the booming luxury real estate market of Phuket, Thailand.
Phuket. That's a bit unexpected. I always think of, relaxing beaches and incredible food.
Right. But get this. Phuket's luxury real estate market is now worth a staggering 2.3 billion US dollars.
Wow, 2.3 billion. Okay, now you've got my attention. That's some serious money flowing in.
Exactly. And that's why we're diving deep today. We're going to figure out what's driving this boom, who's buying, and what trends are shaping this market. So first things first, let's talk about those numbers. 4,285. That's how many new luxury villas were launched in Phuket in just the first half of 2024.
Hold on, 12,285 just in 6 months.
Yep. That's more than the entire year of 2023. So clearly there's a huge surge in demand.
I can imagine those Phuket sunsets are pretty tempting, but what's attracting all these buyers?
Well, a big part of it is wealthy Russian buyers. They're scooping up these villas as vacation homes, looking for that perfect escape.
So are we talking oligarchs on yachts, kind of wealthy?
I mean, probably some,
Yeah.
but not exclusively. It's a mix of high net worth individuals drawn to Phuket's beauty and, that laid back island lifestyle. Can you picture yourself there, by the way? Lounging by your infinity pool overlooking the Andaman Sea.
Okay, stop. You're making me want to book a flight right now. But seriously, is it just the Russians driving this boom, or is there more to it?
There's definitely more. We're also seeing a shift away from traditional hotels and towards luxury branded residences. Think Four Seasons, Ritz-Carlton, those kinds of names.
Ah, so it's not just about owning a beautiful villa. It's about that extra level of service and exclusivity.
Precisely. We're talking private infinity pools, concierge services, world-class dining. It's like a permanent vacation vibe. But there's another interesting trend emerging here, something that's impacting not just Phuket, but the entire Thai real estate market.
Let me guess. Sustainability.
Bingo. The upcoming Property Guru Thailand Property Awards are actually a great example of this. They've introduced a whole bunch of new categories specifically focused on ESG, that's environmental, social, and governance initiatives.
ESG. That sounds a bit, I don't know, corporate-y. Break it down for me. What does this actually mean for a potential buyer?
Good point. Think of it this way. Your dream Phuket villa could actually be good for the planet. Solar panels, rainwater harvesting, sustainable building materials. Developers are really stepping up their game.
So it's not just about luxury anymore. It's about conscious luxury.
Exactly. Buyers wanted all the breathtaking views, the top-notch amenities, and the peace of mind knowing their home is environmentally responsible.
Okay, that makes sense. But let's be real. All this luxury and sustainability probably comes with a hefty price tag, right?
You're not wrong. In fact, the overall residential property price index in Thailand has increased by 2% year on year.
So prices are going up. Is that all because of these eco-friendly features?
Well, it's partly due to the increased construction costs, especially with those high-quality sustainable materials. But it's also because buyers are increasingly willing to pay a premium for these features. It's becoming a major selling point.
Interesting. So we've got this luxury villa boom fueled by international buyers and a growing focus on sustainability, all of which is pushing prices up, of course. But what does this mean for, the average Thai person looking to buy a home? Are they being priced out of the market?
That's a really important question, and it's something a lot of people are thinking about. The DD Property Thailand Consumer Sentiment Study found that 43% of Thais plan to buy property in the next year. And get this, 88% of them are willing to pay more for eco-friendly features.
Wow, those are some impressive numbers. It seems like sustainability is really resonating with buyers across the board.
It definitely is. But even with that willingness to pay more, the rising prices in the luxury segment do raise concerns about affordability for local buyers. It's a complex situation with a lot of factors at play.
Absolutely. So, to recap, Phuket's luxury real estate market is on fire, and it's not just about those beautiful beaches anymore. It's about a convergence of global trends, from the influx of Russian buyers to the increasing demand for sustainable living.
And all of this is reshaping the landscape, not just in terms of the buildings themselves, but also in terms of pricing and accessibility.
Exactly. And that brings us to a really important question, something for everyone listening to ponder. With all this development and investment pouring into Phuket, what will the long-term impact be on the local communities and the environment? Will the benefits trickle down, or will we see a widening gap? It's something to think about.
Food for thought indeed. Well, that's a wrap on our deep dive into the fascinating world of Phuket real estate. Join us next time as we explore another intriguing topic.